How you cook Akee Saltfish? How do you look about Jamaican dish Akee and Saltfish?
Well, you clean up the Akee, then you put the water on the stove to boil. When the water boiling, you wash the Akee, put it in and then in the pot. And then some people boil the fish with it, but you can boil the fish separate. And then after the Akee cook, you take it off, you clean up the saltfish, wash it, and you put your frying pan on the fire, you put a little oil, you add in your seasoning and things, and then you put in the fish, and then the Akee, and your black pepper and thing, and stir it up, and that's it.
So you look about rice and peas.
Rice and peas. Well, you wash your peas and put it to soak.
Is it very simple?
Yeah. And when it's peas cooked, you put in your coconut milk, you add your seasoning like pepper, scallion, thyme, and like a salt. And when it's well cooked down, you wash your rice and you put in. And you have it on a low fire till it cook right down. That's it.